Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restoration. This month with the four Carmigos, the monthly build is emergency vehicles. Since I really don't have any emergency vehicles in my collection, I decided to make a variant of it. So I started with this 60-something Chevelle. We start with drilling out the rivet post. Then we take off the flange. Which on this one took me a little while, as you can see. And more drilling. And more drilling. My little pry tool here. As I said, this one was a son of a gun. But in the end, I prevailed. And I went ahead and drilled the posts all the way. Put a little awl on, so I have a little ease of the tapping process. Always important to clean that tap off during and after. Get our 256 button head screws. I know this gets a little boring after a while, but I've had a couple of naysayers email me and tell me that I don't show the process enough. So, for all of those of you that are bored, this is the process. Clean up around the post a little bit, get that burr off so that we have ease of assembly when we're reassembling. Use my little jeweler's burr. I hit it with some sandpaper because it had a real thick, clear coat on it. Because of that coating, this thing took me about 9 hours to get stripped. Sorry, you won't see any bubbling of the paint. I lost a little footage, I'm sorry to say, of the polishing process. That's right, dummy. You got to take the screws out before you assemble it. It makes it a whole lot easier. Duh. That's right. Motor goes through the hood. Here's a look back at what we started with. Kind of a drag car slash muscle car. And I figured since the Highway Patrol makes their vehicles or keeps the vehicles for outrunning the speeders, especially in this state, they use all the race cars that they confiscate. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. So, Paul saying goodbye till next time.